Let's say you came back home late. Your mother is talking to you mostly they don't like you talking to them in English while they are speaking Igbo to you. Your mother. LABC, where are you coming from? There are different ways you can say this. There are people that will say something. Elebigara. Your parents can either use Elebigara or Elebisi. Elebigara means where did you go? Elebisi means where are you coming from? Elebigara, where did you go? If it's at night time, you can say something like Elebigara nabalia. Elebisi nabalia. Abali means night. Abali, night. Okay, so if they say Elebigara nabalia, your response will be something like Msi, Nolo, Enyimunwany. I came from Nolo. Olo means house. I'm pretty sure you guys know Olo means house. Msi Nolo, coming from Nolo, house. Nolo Enyimu. Enyi means friend. Okay. If you want to say this is my friend right now, you say Enyim. Enyim. Igbo Enyim wine. That means you're my girlfriend. Igbo Enyim wine. You're my girlfriend. That's not how you say it if you're like boyfriend and girlfriend. You say Oyem wine. Oye. Oye is completely different than Enyim. Enyim means like they can be friends. Okay. Some people also can use it. If you tell your parents you have Enyim wine, they're automatically gonna take it as that's your girlfriend. But if it's a girl to a girl, it's friend. If it's a guy, and you're saying this is your friend, you say okay, because moke means male, okay? Moke means guy. That's what you use for a man. Moke. If you wanna say small boy, you say moke ntakere. If you wanna say someone that's grown, moku, okay? So uku means big, ntakere means small. Nta also means small. So that's moke nta, small guy, but it's moke ntakere, it's small. Same. So let's say you will say something when your parents will say LABC Nabania, where are you coming from this night? And then you will respond Msi. If you're a girl, you better say Msi Nolo Enyimunwany. If you say Enyimunwoke, you're finished. You're finished, completely finished, because that means your boyfriend. And please don't mistake it, so make sure that you're saying the right thing, okay? If you're a girl, I'm not telling you to lie, I'm just telling you to save your life. Msi Nolo Enyimunwany. If you're a girl. If you're a guy, you're coming back late, you respond in Igbo. Msi Nolo Enyimunwoke. Anyi means us. You guys got what I said, right? Si, Nolo, Enyimu, my friend. That's what that means, Enyimu, my friend. Wanyi means a woman. Wanyi, a girl, woman. Okay, that's what wanyi means. Si, Nolo, Enyimu, wanyi. Si, Nolo, Enyimu. Okay, and then for guys, Msi Nolo Enyimunwoke. The only thing that changed there is the woke. That's it. Msi Nolo Enyimunwoke. Okay, and then to say what you were doing at the place, because you have to say that too, because they're gonna ask you Gini ka imege eba. Okay, Gini ka imege eba. What are you doing in that place? Gini ka imege eba. What are you doing in that place? Okay, she can also say something like, what are you doing in that place at this time of the night? Okay, so that means what are you doing there at that time of the night? Why are you doing there so late? That's what that means. So you will respond Anyi. This is your response. Anyi means us. That means you and your friend. Us means Anyi. Anyi no. We were. Goga akwụkwọ. Ịgụ akwụkwọ means to study. If I say you ga go akwụkwọ gị, or your father will tell you ga go akwụkwọ gị, that means go and study. Okay? Ga go akwụkwọ gị, go and study. So you say Anyi no na goga akwụkwọ anyị. This is just basic stuff. Okay, you can go like Anyi no na goga akwụkwọ anyị maka anyị nwere exam na. See, that's too much right there. I'm just teaching you guys basic response, so it will not be difficult for you guys. So that's how you're going to respond. I know not we're there studying, we're there reading our books, and then she's like, onye mere iji na-alọtaga n'ime abalị a. Onye mere iji na-alọtaga n'ime abalị a. See, it's not the same thing that she said, because she's asked you, is there why you're coming at this time of the night, which was LABC na alọtaga n'ime abalị a. Completely different, okay? So n'ime abalị a, she just added the n'ime abalị a, which is meaning late night. Late, like deep in the night. That means in the middle of the night. N'ime, that means the night is like really gone. When they emphasize that Nima Bania, that means that you're coming back way late. It's not just late, it's way late. So you respond, Mama, I want to test echi. I want an exam echi. Okay, that means we have an exam tomorrow. All here madam general Tanya. Okay, that's why I stayed there late. Okay, all here general Tanya. All here madam general Rubua. Okay, there's different ways you can say it. All here madam general Tanya, and that's why I stayed there that long. Or you can say all here madam general Rubua. That's why I stayed there till now. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys out.